Bullish Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.017824 and $0.033668 by 2030. Market investigators accept Jasmy could reach $0.013863 by 2025. Bearish Jasmy coin market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.003169. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, presentation Jasmy coin, as a stage, was sent off to utilize the Web of Things, IoT, gadgets and media made to store and handle information in a decentralized structure. Very much like the conventional construction of a market, the cryptographic money market continues developing and spreading out while inviting new conventions and groups consistently. Nonetheless, with this constant advancement and extension, more cycles are made to support them, and one of these arrangements is Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Jasmy stage fills in as an information assurance convention that places information a majority rules system at a high worth and expects to go about as a delegate for the solid trade of information and resources through their confidential individual information storage spaces, PDL. This guarantees that information isn't effectively gotten to by unapproved parties and further handled and put away in unified frameworks which help information examination and cornered estimates. In this article, we'd investigate the idea of Jasmy coin, Jasmy. Will the past cost presentation make it a wise venture for the following bull run? Will it hit all time again after this demise winding? And what's the cost estimate for Jasmy before long? What is Jasmy coin, Jasmy? Jasmy coin is an Ethereum-based ERC coin and local badge of the Jasmy stage. A Japanese organization that Kunitake Ando made to interface more web, IoT, gadgets in this manner, enhancing the customary method of abundance move as the gadgets are utilized as an installment for the help. This symbolic serves an immense scope of issues and purposes. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, is likewise a utility symbolic that gives the framework and climate to decentralized servers to assist individuals with the most common way of putting away their information in an information storage and exchanging them with organizations prepared to have it. This decentralized server that offers this help and is utilized by the stage is called IPFS, Interplanetary Document Framework, a decentralized stockpiling framework. Juan Bennett made this capacity framework, however the organization used to fabricate it is Global Space Document Frameworks, IPFS, which offers a convention that speeds up, makes a more open and more secure web, and coordinates trust into the blockchain. This convention is additionally Web3's stockpiling network that offers the motivators of Filecoin as its auxiliary. Jasmy coin is at present worth $0.003961 United States dollars. Jasmy has moved 3.80% as of now with an exchanging volume of $22,191,745. Jasmy coin is at present positioned 156 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $194,721,451 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Jasmy coin, Jasmy, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value forecast 2023. Jasmy coin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, Jasmy. The Jasmy cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.005941. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.005545 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Jasmy is supposed to have a base worth of $0.004753. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2024 of every 2024, Jasmy coin, Jasmy cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Jasmy will before long outperform $0.009902. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Jasmy's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Jasmy will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.007922 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.008714. Jasmy, value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.013863 and Jasmy might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Jasmy is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.012675 and a low of $0.011883 in 2025. Jasmy, value expectation 2026. Assuming Jasmy coin effectively helps market opinion among digital money devotees, the Jasmy coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Jasmy will be green in 2026. The Jasmy is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.017824 with a base cost of $0.015844 and a typical cost of $0.016636. Jasmy, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Jasmy cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.020597 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.019805 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Jasmy has a greatest value worth of $0.021785. Jasmy, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.024558. In the event that Jasmy figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.025746. Neglecting to accumulate the help Jasmy needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.023766. Jasmy, value forecast 2029. While Jasmy is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.027727 and a yearly cost close above $0.029707 in 2029. Jasmy, value forecast 2030. By 2030, Jasmy coin will at long last outperform its past values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.031688 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.033668, averaging out at $0.03248. Jasmy, value expectation.